Hello, Chellies Cleaning. Um, really quickly, just wanted to give you a bit of information about how to advertise your cleaning business. So it looks like you have a Facebook profile for your cleaning business, but I'd also suggest you make a Facebook business page. Maybe you already did and I haven't seen it. Let's check. So Chellies Cleaning, go to pages, let's see if you have one. Does not look like it's the same area. Anyway, so I would suggest making a business Facebook page. And then inviting all your friends to like it, and then posting in local Facebook groups, as well as making posts on Facebook Marketplace. So for example, you can go here, and you're in Coachella, right? What is Coachella near? Or Indio, California. Let's see if anybody is advertising. 100 miles. So let's see here, large. Anyway, so all these people are advertising cleaning services. Well, that one's for a car. So it's technically, Facebook Marketplace is technically only supposed to be for products, but it's a good way to market your services as well. You don't have to put your real prices. You could just have them contact you for information, and then you can give them a custom quote, like these people do. So that's two suggestions you can do for free. Another thing you want to do for free is you'll want to create a Google business listing. So when somebody searches for home cleaner service Indio, California, the first thing they see is this map, and on top of that map, or under the map, they have these business listings. So these are local businesses who have created a business listing on Google, and it's free to do and it's easy to make. So you go to google.com/business, and then you'll sign in with your email account, and then you'll fill out all the information, your business address. You can just use your home address and then hide it later on, business categories, etc. Let me just give you a couple tips on setting them up. So your primary category is going to be house cleaning service. See if there's any other categories that these guys are using. Yep, looks like it's pretty consistent, just house cleaning service. Will be your primary category. You're going to want to add lots of photos of clean products. Not stock, these are stock photos. It'd be better if they weren't stock photos. Try to add at least 25 of them and make them square so they don't look weird, because Google only shows them up as square. You're going to want to name your business, what your actual business is, not like this guy. They did a description, but just do your actual business name. Some other suggestions are fill out the business description fully. You have 750 characters to write about your business. Try to use all 750 characters if possible. And then the last thing that is going to determine the rankings is the reviews and the citations. Because whenever somebody searches for house cleaner service near me or Indio, California, or whatever they're searching, you want to be the top 3 people. In order to be the top 3, you need to look like the most legitimate company in the area, which one of the ways you do that is by getting listed in a bunch of different directories. Let me show you. See if there's carpet cleaners. It's kind of close enough. So these kind of websites, Yelp, Thumbtack, Ancient Yellow Pages, BBB, Home Advisor, your Facebook business page, etc. Every time you make a business page or a profile for your business on these kinds of websites, makes your business seem more credible. As long as it has the same phone number, address, and name, then it's going to make your business seem more credible and it'll rank you higher in the map pack. The other thing is reviews. These guys all have hardly any reviews, so it's going to be really easy to outrank them after you get 10 or 15 reviews. Some other things you can do is, if you want to look more credible and improve even better, is create a website. So there's not very many competitors in your area. This is one of your competitors that I saw. And she has a nice little website. It doesn't have to be super, complex, but just a 5 or 10 page website with all of your services, commercial cleaning, home cleaning, carpet cleaning, whatever else you might do, and having the specific keywords you want to be ranking for. I can teach you more about that if you're interested in the future, but essentially what you want to do is you want to make your website easily found on Google. So anytime somebody searches for any of your services in your target service areas, then you show up number one, which you do through having a lot of content on the homepage. You want to have around 1,500 words. You want to have something called backlinks to your website, which will make your website seem more credible to Google. And there's other stuff you need to do as well, like making your website load quickly, etc. But that's all the basic stuff for marketing. So now you know a couple of free things you can do and a couple of paid things. If you want to build a website like this or any other website, this isn't my website, this is just the first one that showed up when I searched in your area. Let me know. I'll be happy to give you a quote for a website as well.